Hello everybody, this is Smriti from Simplykrafted. Today I'm going to be doing a makeover on a bottle and it will come out to be very pretty, I promise. So first, let's start with gesso or gesso, whatever you like to call it. I like to give 2 coats to my bottle. First, I will brush it, let it dry completely, and then I will sponge it. By doing so, I somehow kind of like it, so maybe that is why I like to do it. Now, I'm going to use 2 colors, Pale Daffodil and Cool Jade from Craft Angles Chalky Paints, and let me tell you, there are some fabulous colors. You should check all of them out. Now, I'm going to use these 2 colors on my bottle by sponging, and I will create a very huey, cloudy effect. Now, you also know blue and yellow when mixed together give green. So, you will also see hues of green on this bottle. Once I've finished, I will carry on till the top, till the neck of the bottle. Can you see? It's looking so pretty. I can just decorate it as it is. But anyhow, let's go on. So now I'm going to choose a napkin that I want to do as a background, and I will cut it into smaller pieces, and I will just take out just the flowers, and I will decoupage it as and where I want to, decorating my bottle all throughout and leaving just a focal space. Yes, there has to be some focal space on a bottle. So the focus that I'm going to be creating is actually with Craft Angle paper pack. The paper pack will be mentioned in the description below. Here, can you see this couple with the umbrella? It is so romantic and so beautiful. Yes, I will be using this as the focus. So using Craft Angle's decoupage glue, I'm going to be doing decoupage on this bottle, and I will glue all these tissue papers, all these cutout flowers asymmetrically, as in where I like. I will do it according to what I like, the placements. Basically, there is no hard and fast rule to it. You can just play along as you like. You can see one white oval over here. Yeah, that's because I had something else in mind when I started doing the bottle, but somewhere in between I scrapped the idea. Maybe I'll use that technique for some other project. So as of now, we will just carry on, finish the bottle till the top, and then come to the center again, the focal point as I was discussing. Can you see? This is so beautiful and so easy. Here, I have placed my picture right in between to get the main focus on it, and once I've stuck it down, I'm going to seal it completely with a decoupage glue. Here, can you see a nice thick coat of decoupage glue so that it's completely sealed. Next, I have to decorate this picture. So what I'm going to do is, or what I have done is, that I have taken Heartfelt Creations Ariana beans and I have created some small flowers, and that is exactly what I am putting over here. And I've kind of created a frame with some white leaves in between and with some pollens in between. Now, I'm a big fan of glitter. As always, yes, you know, I love to use glitter. So here I'm lightly brushing all the flowers and pollens and leaves that I've stuck onto the picture with some little fevicol, basically, very lightly brushing it. And then I'm going to sprinkle it with this rainbow shimmer glitter that I source on my own. It's my own personal thing. Yes, and it looks beautiful. Can you see? I know, the bottle is coming out so pretty. So now, for the top part, what I have done is basically I've taken a satin ribbon and I have basically covered the entire neck of the bottle. And when I did this, I realized that the top of the bottle also needs something. So I cut out a small round circle from the paper and I've stuck it on over here, and I'm going to cover it with liquid glaze. But before that, I am going to varnish this entire bottle. Yes, please understand, in decoupage, varnish is very important. It is very important that you varnish all your products because that is what gives it life and longevity. So here I've done varnish on the picture in between and on the sides of the bottle completely. And once I'm done with that completely, back and front and upwards and downwards everywhere, then I'm going to use liquid glaze and pour it on top of the bottle where I had stuck this small little circle just to finish off the bottle. This will give it a glass finish and it will feel as if I have a glass dome on top. Yeah, so maybe 1 or 2 drops are fine. And with the help of a brush, I'm just going to spread it out and let it dry. And voila! My bottle is ready. Isn't this pretty? I had a lot of fun creating this. I hope you had enough fun also while watching this. For any questions, please feel free to contact me. Make sure that you subscribe all our channels. My channel so that you can keep getting such lovely things. Bye.